Like, I'm sensing my sass. Oh my god, we could have done that with that cat perfectly. The cat, my kitty cat. But now if we touch it, it's gonna bite us.
I'm so freaking butt. Go out. Just get out of this room, please. You're scary. Sounds like a vibrator. How do you know what that thing sounds like?
I don't know, just guessing because it vibrates, you know.
No, Amanda, you've used one.
Oh yeah, let me tell you.
Amanda, please, we need to get this thing out. It's so scary. Just leave and everything will be okay.
It doesn't even sound like a cat. Go away, it's afraid to get out.
Yeah, I'm not sleeping in here.
I feel so bad. I'm leaving tomorrow.
I don't feel bad for it, it's mean.
Yeah, because we tortured it.
We weren't even trying to.
We hit it with a pillow.
That was because it was going over in your suitcase.
No, because you hit it with a pillow again, and it went flying and got tangled in the charger.
Leave, please.
Oh, its eyes. Look at no, look at its eyes.
Listen to it. Do you think it'll bite you?
Yeah, that's why we need to find something to poke it with.
I was poking you with the flashlight. It wouldn't move. Ew.
Oh, shit. Go out. Come on.
I'll go poke it.